This is really good for contouring. It's a nice kind of colour, it's not an orange. I'm going to use this brush and just get some on it, just to show you. So I'll do it on here, so I'm just going in there. See that? Obviously I'm going to buff it out, but it's more like a natural kind of colour, for a shadow, should I say. So I'll show you what I mean. And then up the top, along there, along there, and then just blend it in. And once you blend it in, it's just so more natural looking. As I say, as opposed to like oranges and things like that, a lot of contours and stuff, quite orangey. And then just buff it right in. Up here, you can also do your nose, but so it's kind of buffed right in now, but it just, see, leaves that nice kind of shape.